If you have type 1 or type 2 diabetes, I'm going to tell you why it is so incredibly important to rotate your injection sites. You got to spread the love around or this can happen to you. This is called lipohypertrophy, and if you inject too much into the same spot repeatedly over and over, it will cause a thick, rubbery, fatty tissue overgrowth to occur called lipohypertrophy, and this is seen in up to 50% of insulin users. You can see lipohypertrophy happening in these three pictures on the abdomen here, right here, and over here. Some people like to inject insulin in their thigh. Well, it's going to happen there too if you don't adequately rotate your injection sites. Here's a few more pictures of it on the abdomen down here. There's both a mechanical and a metabolic cause that causes this to happen. If you're repeatedly injecting into the same spot over and over again, that's very traumatizing to the tissue right in this area. The other part is metabolic. Insulin is an anabolic hormone, and when you're repeatedly exposing that tissue to an anabolic hormone, that causes fat overgrowth. Researchers have also found that reusing the same needle over and over, which is gross, can also lead to this happening, so don't ever do that. Make sure you regularly feel and palpate with your hand the spots that you like to inject insulin in so you can feel if this is beginning to happen anywhere. If you feel it, stay away from that area for a very long time. One of the huge problems that this can lead to is delayed or inconsistent insulin absorption, which can lead to unexplained hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia. Another complication that can also occur if you're injecting into the same spot over and over is called lipoatrophy, and that's the exact opposite, where you'll see a big gaping space where there used to be some fat and it's not there anymore. That's caused by a different pathway. It's actually an immune attack against your fat caused by the insulin injection. Lipoatrophy is not seen that much anymore. It used to happen more with animal insulins or impure insulins, but with analog insulins now, it doesn't happen as much. This is an ultrasound image of lipohypertrophy occurring. You can see it right here with the blue arrow, and you can see it over here in the dark. It's the same thing. Sometimes things on ultrasound show up as light or dark, but it's the same thing. Look how this is spreading downward. That's pretty scary looking. Always remember to rotate your injection sites. It's very important. Do not ever reuse needles, and always be feeling in the spots where you like to inject insulin to make sure this is not starting to occur.